Hey you guys, I just ordered my uniforms and I'm so excited, you guys. Like, this was impulsive. I did it like just out the blue. I was bored, so I was like, you know what, let me just order my uniform. I placed the order because I heard that I've been hearing on Facebook that it's always back ordered. People get their uniforms late. The professor said to order it early just in case your order gets pushed back like 2 to 3 months, like you get it on time. So I kind of just impulsively ordered it because it said I had like a credit of $750 in my bookstore, and I was like, hey, why not get the order in now and then pay later when the time comes? And that's what I did. I ordered a shirt. So let me show you guys. Should I show you guys my order? Let me make sure there's no information that well, it does have my it has my order number, so I'm gonna just cover that up. Oh, I could just scroll up. Okay, perfect. So this is the order right here of the shirt. My best friend's texting me, so don't mind her. She's helping me do an assignment for school. So my professor assigned us, did I say it right? My professor assigned us some questions, and we need to ask someone to answer those questions. It's pertaining to us. So I'm excited to see what she has to say about me. Why she made that face? Anyway, I'm reading her message while she's like texting me. So I'm excited to see her what she says. But yeah, so she has to answer the questions, and then I go back and reflect on her answers. So that's my assignment for this week. It's really easy, really simple, and I'm so happy because last week she gave us hell with the assignment that she had assigned for us. It was crazy. It was too much. And I was like, girl, give me a break. And that's exactly what she did. She gave me a break. She gave us something light to do, and it's easy, simple. So I'm gonna knock that out today, and it's due tomorrow. On Wednesdays we have discussion boards discussion posts due, and so I'm gonna get that in today, so I won't have to worry about it tomorrow and work on other assignments tomorrow, yada yada yada. And that's that. So I just submitted my order for my shirt. I ordered one. I don't know why I did two. I ordered one. I'm thinking about going back and ordering another one. I'm gonna watch some videos or like go on Facebook and see what people like, if they order one or two. I'm thinking about two just in case like something happens to the first one. I have a second one backup and I don't have to wait like 2 months. So I definitely should order two. I'm gonna save that to my computer, like to make sure I keep documentation, like, yeah, order this and blah blah blah. I'm gonna start a new order, so maybe I should take you guys throughout the whole thing, like ordering my uniform, because I'm gonna order another one. So yay.
Purchase your tracks today.
Didn't I tell you that I was savage? Horse in the cabbage, being never kind of mansion. You needed me. You needed me. I don't know why that song is stuck in my head, but it is. Alright guys, so it's currently 10:39 p.m. and I'm supposed to be asleep because I gotta get up at like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, 4:30ish, the latest 5. And who is that? What is that? Anyways, so I'm supposed to wake up at 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning, and it's currently, like I said, 10:39. What is you doing up, girl? Take your to bed. But no sleep, team, no sleep for the next 2.5 years or until I graduate nursing school. So I was supposed to submit my assignment today, and I didn't, and I'm like 95% done. So I'm gonna finish it up, submit it, and then work on my next assignment because that should take me like 30 minutes. And I'd rather get it out of the way now because I don't want to do it tomorrow. Even though I could do it tomorrow and finish tomorrow. I'm just like one of those people, what is it called? An overachiever. Like, I like to do things early. I don't like to wait. Like, I have energy. I'm supposed to be asleep, but I have energy because I guess it's the adrenaline rush of wanting to do my homework. So I'm gonna do my assignment, submit it, and that's how I'm gonna end my night. I brush my teeth. Teeth is already brushed. Like, I'm set. I got my little PJs on. Like, this is, oh, what is that? Okay, I have this is my PJs. I wear t-shirts to go to sleep. Okay, I don't know if I'm the only one. Oh, guys, so I have a haul coming out, and I bought new PJs. I think I bought new PJs. I don't remember what I bought, but I think I bought new PJs. So, and I bought them specifically for my vlogs so I can look cute. Yes, I'm gonna be one of them people that's gonna like start looking fancy in my vlogs and everything. But let me know down below if you want me to just be wearing my t-shirt. I be feeling like it just doesn't give. Like, I feel like I want something more aesthetically pleasing, if that makes sense. Just because I feel like this look plain, like it just looks so like ugh, you know, like who wants to stare at me wearing this? I look like a blob. That's what I can like best describe it as. I look like a blob. So I ordered some pajamas. I think I ordered some pajamas. Like I remember I'm imagining myself thinking about ordering pajamas for specifically my YouTube. So I feel like I did. But we're gonna see because I don't remember anything I ordered. I did open it because I had to take out one thing that was like on top, and I just knew it was gonna be on top because it was like something so like fragile. So I'm like, it's gonna be on top. So I opened it and thank God it was on top. So I didn't get to see anything that was in the package. I didn't take out anything. It's like super packed in my in the TikTok bag that they sent. Why they be packing? They be packing it in the pack like like sardines. Like, that's how packed they be in there. Like, I'm like, I have 100 items. Why would you put it in a 2x2 inch bag? Does that make sense? Anyways, so let's cut that out and let me get to work because if not, I'm gonna keep talking. And like I said, I have a discussion post that's due Sunday. No, it's due Wednesday. Why did it? Okay, right here. I meant to do this right here. Anyways, so it's due Wednesday. Tomorrow's Wednesday, and I don't want to do it on the day of. That's not giving me. My name starts with an A. That means I'm destined to get A's. And A students do not wait till the day of something is due to post to submit something. So we ain't doing that today. We not starting in nursing school. Not when we get this far. We're not doing that. So I have to force myself to be up, but I feel like I don't have to force anything because I feel like my body is naturally there where, like, you see I have a lot of energy right now. I'm not tired because we know that this is not like us. I have to submit that assignment. And you guys are probably like, why you ain't do it earlier? Da da da. God knows what happened earlier. Oh, you know what? I know. I was editing my vlogs for you guys and editing shorts and stuff like that. So that took up a lot of my time, but that's not what is supposed to happen. I was supposed to leave that to later, but I was so like, I was doing the Pomodoro method. If you guys don't know, basically you study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, 25, da da da. So I was doing that, and then I ended up getting hungry, bitch. Oh. I ended up getting hungry, so I had to pause that, and I made breakfast. I started sitting, I started laying down, started praying, started writing to Jesus. So hey, everything worked out perfectly fine and according to God's will for today, because that's what I asked him for, and I believe the way my day went was how God intended it to go. But yeah, this is just a late night. Like, in nursing school, you may have days where you have to stay. Well, you have nights. You're gonna have nights where you're gonna have to stay up and force yourself to do your assignments, and make sure that you're keeping up with having successful skills. Like, does that make sense? You want to keep up with making sure that the skills you have that allows you to be a successful student is persevering throughout the duration of nursing school, because if not, if you fall behind, you're going to slack off, and I can't just have that. Like, if one assignment that's not due, one assignment that's not turned in, may turn into 2, and I don't want to think like that. I don't want to go through it. It could happen. I don't even want to like test the waters. I'm not dipping my toes in that type of water. I'm not. So I'm just gonna stay away from that kind of like that procrastination. I rebuke it in the name of Jesus, because it's not dwelling in my proximity, okay? It's not dwelling within my box. It's not. So we're just gonna keep up the good habits, because when you keep up good habits, you continue to do the good habits and maintaining them. So I want to make sure I stay on top of things, and I suggest you guys do the same thing too. If you guys have assignments that you've been pushing off and it's late at night, don't go to sleep. I know some people are like, just go to sleep and do it tomorrow. That's giving me be average student sayings. We don't do that here. But if we do get a B, it has to be because we put our blood, sweat, and tears into it. That's how I think. But I still ain't gonna give it its all. If we have to stay up, we're gonna stay up. And that's just me. But if you don't want to be that student, hey, do you, boo? Okay? That ain't got nothing to do with me. I'm just trying to push you guys to be the best you guys can be. And if you're like me, today I didn't do what I had to do first. And that's usually not like me typically. And usually I will not stay up like this doing work. So don't think this is an everyday thing or a consistent thing that I'm staying up doing homework. No, I don't. That's why I do it before, early, and get it done and out the way, so I don't have to stay up. But in instances where I didn't do my work early on, knowing I was supposed to do my work early on, I had to suffer the consequences and stay up late. That's just how it goes. So that's what I mean. I'm not saying you have to stay up all night, every night for the rest of the 2 years and have dark circles. No, I'm saying if you don't take care of your responsibilities early on, and mind you, I'm early. Don't worry, I have a whole complete day. I can do it all Wednesday to submit my assignment. But I'm just a overachiever. I like to do my things early. So even if it's one day completely early, that's one day completely early, okay? I'm not doing the day of. I just can't. So no, we gotta get this started. Hi you guys. So I'm gonna be putting away groceries. I'm gonna be cutting up onions and peppers because I'm gonna make chicken today. I made some chicken the other day and it was so good. I'm like, I want some more. I've been craving more. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make some chicken while I'm gonna be cutting my peppers and all that while I'm watching YouTube. I found a new YouTuber, and this is my first video I'm watching her. Her name is Everything Ayana or Ayana, I don't know how she pronounces it. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm gonna show you guys who she is in a little bit. So yeah, so I'm gonna watch her video. She is a nurse. I think she's a nurse. She's a nurse. She's not a student no more. She's a nurse. So yeah, put some respect on my girl's name, okay? So I'm gonna watch her video while I unpack my delivery. I got an order from Walmart, so I'm gonna be putting things away while watching YouTube, drinking some water because we have to stay hydrated. Look at my skin, you guys. Are you guys messing with it? Yeah, my skin is glowing, okay? Glowing. And I definitely have to give thanks to water and Jesus. If you're not drinking water, You must be a reptilian, baby, because it's too hot to be dehydrated. And if you can survive dehydrated or go hours without drinking water, you are a reptile. I don't know what to tell you. You just are, because how? I don't know. It's not giving human at all. So yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm running out of time, so I gotta hurry up. Like, I've been doing too much. I had to edit my assignment because I feel like my teacher wasn't clear on the assignment, and so I submitted it, and I seen my other peers doing, not all of them, a lot of them did the same mistake I made, and they didn't put a source. But the discussion post is giving like, why are we adding a source to the, because all we had to do was answer some questions. It was very personal questions. So how are we supposed to connect? I don't know, but I figured it out. I kind of connected it in a way where it was like, what her last question, kind of like you can add a source in there. So I kind of used that as my way to integrate it into my assignment, to my discussion post. But I felt like it wasn't giving like research or like academic based. It was giving like very personal, sentimental kind of moment and feel for the post. So I didn't see why we had to go back and like look for a reference, because a source is giving like you doing academic writing or scholarly writing assignment. But hey, it is what it is. That's what she wanted. That's what I did. So I emailed her explaining the situation, because I was like, hey, I noticed that they doing that and I did this. So can I fix it before it's due? Because it's due today, and I did it yesterday. And thank God I did it yesterday, not today, because I was gonna push it off today. I really was. So I'm glad I did that last night. I got to finish and edit what I had to edit, and I submitted it. So that took a while because I had to find an article. I feel like I said, it was so hard to connect the two, like personal questions and feelings and everything, and find an article, academic, peer-reviewed journal that, like, it just didn't make sense. So it was kind of, it took me a while, and what I got it done. So I'm kind of rushing because I have to do something else, and I have to cut onions, wash the chicken, season the chicken, yada yada yada. So I gotta hurry up and do that before I gotta go.